Hello, good morning or good evening to everyone. This tutorials I would be showing how do we create and run a Perl program. So in the last video we have seen an introduction to Perl. So this video is about creating and running a Perl program. So how do we create a simple program? So our first Perl program will be like as usual for any languages or any programming language you learn, we start with an hello world, right? So the print is a command. Print is a command that prints these particular statements, hello world statements, onto the screen. So you have to quote it in a double quotes. Hello world /n stands for the new line, and end it with the colon, semicolon. And what is the next step you have to do is put this in a file called hello.pl. So how do you do it? So normally we open textpad, you enter the text, and while you save it, you have to save it with hello.pl. That's it. A first Perl program has been successfully completed. So here, if you observe here, the .pl is the extension that identifies this particular program or script is a Perl script or a Perl program. Okay, how do we run a Perl program? So running a Perl program from the command line. So you have to use Perl space hello.pl. So first, before this, you need to install the perl.exe file onto your system. There are several versions available for installing the Perl. So once you install, so you go to command prompt and you type Perl space hello.pl. If it is in a specific directory, you specify that specific directory and you give you enter your script name, that is hello.pl. That's it. When you enter it, so it displays the output. So the one more important point that we need to make sure is shebang line. So that is like if you're running this on UNIX, if you're running this particular Perl script on in UNIX, so we normally use a shebang line. So hash apostrophe is coded here with the user bin Perl. So this means like the particular Perl application is being installed in this particular root directory. So it goes to the this directory whenever it is going to run, and it execute the Perl script. So, and make sure you give a proper permission that is executable. Okay, now you can run your program using command line. So if you are specifying the shebang line, so no need to have Perl space hello.pl that we have done in the last slide. So if you are specifying it, so you can directly enter hello.pl. okay, so this is basically for Unix environment. So earlier we have seen for the Windows environment. Okay, so that's about how do we run a Perl program and how do we write a simple Perl program. Okay, so just to recap, so you have to write a print statement hello world, put this in a file called hello.pl, then you're running it through Perl hello.pl, then you are using a shebang line and you are giving a permission so that it can be executable, and you're running. Finally, the output will be displayed on to the screen. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be coming up with more and more videos.